Alright guys, I want to take a couple minutes just to review before your point slope form quiz, which will be coming up shortly. First of all, what is point slope form? It's y minus y sub 1 equals m times the quantity of x minus x sub 1. Alright, that's point slope form, where m is the slope and the point x sub 1, y sub 1 is any point on the line. Alright, that's point slope form. Not to be confused with slope intercept form, which of course is y equals mx plus b. Alright, so let's do a quick example here. And the easiest example is something like this. If I told you that m is 1/3 and it goes through the point -4, 8. Alright, if the only thing that I'm asking for is point slope form, this is the easiest problem in the world. As long as you've got point slope form here, it's going to be y minus the y coordinate, which in this case, here's m, this is x sub 1, this is y sub 1. Y minus 8 equals 1/3 x minus, now it's minus -4, so that's plus 4. Remember, it's the opposite of what you think. It looks like positive 8, but it's going to be minus 8 because it's minus up here. Looks like -4, but it's plus 4 because it's minus -4. If that's all I'm asking for is point slope form, boom, there it is. You're all set. Alright? But where it gets a little bit tougher is if I give you a problem like this. If I tell you that the 2 points are 8, 5 and 4, -1. Now, we got our points. There's 2 points. What we don't have, of course, is the slope. So that should always be your first order of business, is figure out what is the slope. So I like doing the jumps myself. If you're a formula person, go ahead and hook up your formula. But to get from 5 to -1, I go down 6. And to get from 8 to 4, I go down 4. So my slope is going to be -6 divided by -4. Now, they're both even and they're both negative. What's negative divided by negative? Positive. But the question is, what does 6/4 reduce to? Again, they're both even, so 2's 3/2. The slope here is going to be 3/2. Now, keep slope as a fraction. Yesterday we were talking about money. That's why we made a decimal. But here, leave this as a fraction. Now, if I ask for point slope form, in this case there are 2 possible solutions that I would accept. The first one, if you're using the first point, it's going to be y minus 5 equals the slope, 3/2, times the quantity of x minus the x coordinate, 8. That's one that I would accept. The other one that I would accept, of course, would be if I use this point, y minus -1, so that'd be y plus 1, equals 3/2, the slope, times the quantity of x minus the x coordinate, 4. Do you need both? Of course not. You only need one, right? Now, if I ask for slope intercept form, that's where it gets a little bit more complicated. If I ask for slope intercept form, you got to get y by itself. So the first thing you would do is distribute. So in this case, you get y minus 5 equals 3/2 x. Then use your calculator. 3 divided by 2 times 8. It's going to be minus, if you use your calculator, you should get 12. Then you're going to add 5 to both sides. Your final answer should be y equals 3/2 x Negative 12 plus 5 is minus 7. Alright, now, check this out. Even if you use this one, first thing you're going to do is distribute. So you got 3 halves x minus 3 halves times 4 is 6. You're going to subtract 1 from both sides. And check it out. Y equals 3 halves x. Negative 6 minus 1 is minus 7. No matter what, slope-intercept form will always come out the same way. Alright, so good luck on your quiz today. Smith out.